Check your pantry. Some Hunt's chili kits are being recalled because they might contain Salmonella. Conagra, the company that makes the kits, yanked a limited amount just to be safe. Salmonella could be hiding in the chili seasoning packet inside the kits. That's what the supplier told Conagra. No traces were found in the finished product, but the company is being overly cautious, so they went ahead and issued the voluntary recall. Make sure and check the label. They have best buy dates ending in 2018, and the UPC codes are listed here. If you bought a bad box, don't eat it and return it to the store. The company says so far, no one's gotten sick, and you would know if it hit you. Think fever, diarrhea, and abdominal cramps. But don't you already get most of those symptoms from eating spicy chili anyway?